Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on automatic color mode for your app icons on your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you would like your app icons to change color as per the time, so for example, daytime, so have a light mode, while in the nighttime, have the dark mode. Then let me show you how to do it. So to change this to automatic color mode, you can do this by long pressing anywhere on the screen. Once the app starts to jiggle here at the top, you want to tap on Edit, then tap on Customize. You'll get this menu here at the bottom. So to do this, go ahead and tap on Automatic, and now tap on the screen itself. And now, whatever the time is, it'll basically set the screen to that. So say for example, if it is during the day, it'll set into a light color, while during the night, it'll set into a dark color. So there you go, that is how to turn on automatic color mode for your app icons on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.